All right, so if you're just tuning in, we've been developing our prototype for electric propulsion, and we kind of hit as far as we could go bootstrapping it. So now what we need to do is raise some funds. So our goal will be to raise a seed round of $500,000. So what I'm doing now is I found a list of all the top space seed investors. So you can see there's 569 here. So what I'm going to be doing is going to just go one by one through them, see if they're a good fit, and if they are, I'm going to reach out to them. Most likely, I'll probably just reach out to all of them because the law of averages, basically, if you reach out to a certain amount of people, you'll eventually get a yes. It's purely mathematical. So I just need one person to say yes. So out of this list of 569, so that shouldn't be too hard. It might take some time, but I just got to find someone who's the right fit, not only who has the capital, but who I could see working with in the long term. So I'm just going to go through these one by one, document the process, and let's see how it goes. Yeah. So I think the most important thing I should do and remember to do is to have fun, to enjoy this process. Coming from a sales background, here, let me light a candle real quick. It's always good to light some candles for the ambiance. So I do have a rocket engineer friend. He said he'd be willing to fund 20 to 30K if I can get the rest, or I might just find one investor to fund the full 500K. It will really depend on this outreach process. So if you've ever done sales before, you might have to deal with a bunch of no's to get that one yes. So the most important thing you need to do is stay positive, stay happy, stay relaxed. So I'm just gonna get in the right headspace real quick. Think real clearly about what I want. What do I want to accomplish? All right, so let's start off with Will. So Will, his sweet spot range is 4 million, but he goes anywhere from 250K to 5 million. So a 500K ask is actually on the low side for him. So that might be easier sale for him. So yeah, he's a good fit. So even if their sweet spot is way below 500K, like Ben is 250K, Matt is 120K, I'm still gonna reach out to them because they might be interested in starting to do higher investments, or they might have a connection to someone who would be a better fit. So don't scrub off anybody. Reach out to everybody, give them some value. Make sure they're appreciated, and yeah, let's get started. So let's go ahead and view Will. So Will is a venture, has RRE Ventures. He's helped raise a lot of money for these different companies. So he'd be a good person to reach out to. So, it also shows his Twitter activity, so that's helpful. So, 2020 seems like the last time he was active on Twitter. So, I'm gonna have to find him another way. Let me go ahead and pause this real quick. I'm getting a phone call.